Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to set up your PS5 stand from vertical to horizontal and vice versa. The first thing you need to do is remove the screw. Once you've disconnected the HDMI and power cables from the console, you're ready to begin. In its default vertical position, the PS5 is held by a single screw. You'll need a flathead screwdriver to unscrew the base. After that, you need to store the screwdriver in the base. You can store the little bolt inside of the stand itself. A small compartment can be found underneath the stand, and the screw can be pushed into a special slot that will keep it securely in place. Once you've done that, use the provided cap to plug the screw hole. The compartment also contains a small black cap that can be removed and used to plug the gap that the screw left behind in the base of the PS5. It's another easy fit that will cover up any unnecessary gaps in the PS5. Then, rotate the stand. While the screw won't rattle around the stand when it's locked into place, you can go a step further and rotate the stand, revealing a hidden door that covers up the compartment. Once that's done, insert the stand in line with the console marks. Align the two clips of the stand onto the PS5, which is another easy fit. You'll know that you've attached it properly when the stand clicks into place and feels firm. The last step is to place the PS5 console on its side. Flip the PS5 console onto the side, reconnect all the cables, and switch your television on. You are now ready to play a few next-gen games on your console. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Until next time, bye.